After a frosty start to the day, temperatures rebounded quite nicely, but if you thought it was warm today, you'll want to stay tuned next and check out this forecast. Quincy Vagell here for the weather people. Thanks for tuning in. And it has turned out to be a warm day after we had a morning lows around 30 degrees with some scattered frost. As of 7 o'clock, we are 63 at Danbury, dew point 36, so the humidity is 37%. Winds out of the south at 12 miles per hour, so warmer air is moving into the area. And you can see that by the current temperatures. As of 7 o'clock, they're still in the 70s across eastern New York State, 71 at Poughkeepsie, 72 at Newburgh. But we are 63 in Danbury with a temperature of 58 at New Haven and 55 in Bridgeport. And warm air is going to be with us for the next several days. You're going to love this forecast. Now right now, across the East Coast, mainly fair skies, not much going on in the weather department. Now there is a high east of North Carolina. It looks like it's going to be a Bermuda high. We typically don't get these until the summer months, so we're going to have an early visit of summer. It's going to feel quite amazing outside. Enjoy it while you can. And it's actually going to stick with us for a while, so I think you'll be able to enjoy that definitely. Off towards the west, there's a low pressure system moving into Wisconsin. Now this warm front is moving into the area. I expect on Saturday the warm front to have moved to our north. So here's the setup. On Saturday, the high off towards the south, and we're in the warm air. Warm air will flood into the area. It should stick with us for Sunday as well, although I do expect that cold front to move in closer to the area. But to see this red over here, another warm front, and I do expect warmer temperatures again for Monday and even Tuesday as well. So it's going to be a nice stretch of weather, not what you'd expect to see in April in New England. But if you're heading out tonight, what we'll have is mostly clear skies. We'll be comfortable. So a low of 48 degrees. It was a low of 30 last night, so it's going to be much more comfortable than it was last night. Nice night to maybe have the windows open. It won't be too chilly outside. Across the rest of the area, temperatures falling back to 46 at Waterbury, 49 at New Haven, 52 at White Plains, and 50 at Newburgh. Now, get a load of this Saturday forecast. If you're heading out to the Tri-State Weather Conference, it should be just delightful weather. 57 degrees at 8 o'clock, and mostly sunny throughout the entire day. Just beautiful weather conditions. Temperatures getting into the 80s. Wind southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour, so a little bit of like a summer-like breeze. It's going to be amazing outside. Definitely get out and enjoy it while you can. And I do expect high temperatures to get to 82 at Danbury, 83 at Waterbury. Now 70s along the shoreline, a little bit cooler, but 85 at Poughkeepsie, 84 at Newburgh, and 83 in Central Park, so 80s across much of the interior. It's going to be just a great day to get outside and enjoy it. And for Sunday, I expect really much of the same, although I do expect clouds to be on the increase. Look at that, 66 degrees already at 8 o'clock, but those clouds will keep temperatures from getting too warm, and winds will be out of the west at 7 to 14 miles per hour. Now looking beyond Sunday, on Monday, I expect some clouds to be around, just delightful weather conditions, temperatures getting into the lower 80s. Now on Tuesday, sunshine and very warm into the mid-80s, which is what you'd expect to see in July, not April. And look at the lows at night, only falling back into the 50s, so it's definitely not too cool outside, but it's also not too humid, so you can have those windows open at night. Just going to be delightful weather all across the board for the next several days. But it does look like on Wednesday a cold front moves through with cooler weather conditions and a few showers, and highs only getting to the mid-60s. But those mid-60s, those are actually normal for April. So enjoy the nice weather while you can. It should be with us right through the weekend and into early next week. For the weather people, this is student meteorologist Quincy Vagell. Enjoy that weather. It's going to be great outside.